Igbo slangs and their meaning. So in this video, I'm going to teach you some of the slangs and what they mean. These slangs, I know they are used in Anambra and some in Enugu. I don't know of any other place. So many or some other states could have variation of these slangs. But generally, if you say it to any Igbo person, they understand what you're saying. So let's go. Kewe. Kekosi. How is it going? Response. Udo. Onwedi. Nwanne onwedi. Onwero much. Ka anyị nwee let's see or let's meet. Let's have two aside. Udo. Ngwanu. Ngwanu means all right. Udo means peace. Onwedi means nothing much. Kaiwa. Let's go. Let's leave. Onwedi nwanne. Onwedi. Onwedi, no problem. Onwedi, no problem. Anam ada. I am hungry. Adakwana, don't fall. Please don't fall. Kam tachie. Let me eat. Ganiru, go ahead. Eti me etikita. I am broke now. Na. Odiegu. So let me say just the Igbo slang and their responses. Kewe. Kekosi. Udo. Onwedi. So you can use Onwedi to respond to Kewe. You can also use Udo to respond to Kekosi. Kainwe. Udo. Ngwan. Kaiwa. Onwedi. Then you can also respond by saying Udo. Anam ada. Adakwana. Kam tachie. Ganiru. Eti me etikita. Na. Odiegu. That is it. I would like you to leave some other slangs you know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share. Also follow, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, Messia, Madofuma.